So guys, I'm here now in Intramuros. I'll do some vlog. I'll start here outside of Intramuros. This is the map of Intramuros, aerial map, aerial. So this one here is a wall, a very thick wall surrounding this area. It's a wall. That's why it's called a walled city. This is this place is headquarters of the Spanish government way back in the 15th century. That's why it's walled. Every point here there's a guard. There's a guard there. No one can enter inside if there's no clearance. So there's the north coordinate. So I see something there. Welcome. So you see, welcome. The Hospital de San Gabriel once stood on this site 1587-1774. So it says here, this place here once stood the hospital. What's that? Hospital de San Gabriel in this spot here. So it's closed here now. This spot there before entering the Intramuros. So that's the thick wall of Intramuros. There's the guardhouse there. You see the guardhouse. That's the guardhouse. Guardhouse of the Spanish soldiers. So I will go now inside Intramuros, passing this park. You see the wall, very thick. So it's about 8 feet thick. 8 steps. The thickness is 8 steps, or 8 to 9 steps. From there up to here, 8 to 9 steps. I counted it. So this is the entrance now, going up there. Oh, Moralia. I start here in Moralia Street. So I climb, I go up here. See this one, very old stone blocks of stone. Some of the structures here are renovated already by the Philippine government, but some are very old, like this one here. This one is very old. This is the original. This also is the original one, original structure. So this is the University of Patria Dios Litran, 1620, founded 1620. One of the oldest university here. So I may not go along. I may not go for a very long video because it's very hot. So there's the structure here. This is the guardhouse back then by the soldiers. Guardhouse by the Spanish soldiers. Back then there is the canyon here. In this area there's the canyon overlooking there. This is a fortified city by the Spanish government, So every structure here, every one of these, there is the canyon overlooking everywhere, ready for any battle, ready for war. So again, there's this opening here. Yan, another opening. And another opening overlooking there, outside. So this platform here is a formation area for the soldiers ready for battle. Another opening. So these structures are typical of a fortress. Very old fortress. There is the guardhouse. So you see this rock here, very old too. Granite, probably granite. Very old structure. See, very old. So another opening. So back then, lots of battle was fought here. Spanish, the Filipino, Spaniards, American War, World War II. So another opening there. So I'll just go there. Very hot. That's the Electron. This one is a mango tree, herbal. You have to boil. You just have to boil the leaves of that mango tree to lower your blood sugar, cholesterol, and also helps in blood pressure, lowering blood pressure. There's the hole there. See the hole. There's a hole there. Blocks of granite. Blocks of granite. That's a tourist ride here in Intramuros. Tourist ride on that horse. So it's a Sunday here. There are few people, but on regular days there are many students here because there are at least 3 universities here. Three to four universities inside in this Intramuros. So there are many students here in the regular days, Monday to Saturday. Outside there is also part of Intramuros, of these structures. There are some structures there. This is the pond. Who is practicing. The coconut tree. I know that's the palm tree. It's a palm tree. Very hot. There are few people here now. Sunday. street. This is Real Street. Real Street. The Lyceum of the Philippines. Another university. Also not so old university. Here's the bamboo tree. This one, bamboo tree. Lyceum of the Philippines. There's some vegetation here. That one is a mango tree. Here's the fruit of the mango. The fruit of the mango. It's unripe. It's green. When it's ripe, it becomes yellow. There's the boulder. What is that? Bull? It's a bull. Bull? Volleyball? What is that? There's the cluster of mango. Unripe, green. So that's again this Mapua University. So Litran, then Lyceum, then Mapua University. So there are lots of foreigner here, tourists going around here, tour, especially on Sundays. There are a lot of foreigners here going on tour. They rent those bikes to go around this historical place. So see the structures, very thick. So I will let you see the canyon, very old canyon. This one is the canyon. It's no longer used already because it's very old. It's made of iron. So it's pointing there. It's canyon. So another one, canyon. Very old style. So every opening there's the canyon. This is the quarters. This one is a bigger one canyon, pointing there outside, ready for battle. Bigger canyon. So this ground here used to be the where soldiers have their formation. Ready for anything, for battle. This one is a lot bigger now. I see if I can go there. Climb. So you see there, that's the Manila City Hall. Manila City Hall. There's the clock. That's Manila City Hall. This area here is a golf course. You see how thick is the wool. That's the airplane. That's the barrel of the canyon. Mapua University, the Baylep Hotel. Then another canyon. Manila City Hall. So that's it, guys. I will end this Facebook Live now. It's very hot. I will go home now. So there are a lot of canyons. Over there are a lot of structures. Maybe next time I will have another vlog, another visit there. I will have just to rest because the sun is getting hotter. I need to drink water. So that's it, guys. This is the way going outside here. Baluarte de San Francisco Dilao. So it's a garrison, also known as Baluarte de San